Ever wondered how airbags work? It's a mix of chemistry, physics, and rapid timing. When a car crashes, sensors detect a sudden stop. In milliseconds, a chemical reaction fills the airbag with nitrogen gas, causing it to inflate. This soft cushion deploys faster than a blink, providing a barrier between you and the dashboard. Without airbags, the risk of injury during a collision significantly rises. They're designed to work with seat belts, ensuring maximum protection. So, the next time you're in your car, remember, there's incredible science working to keep you safe.